Hello, Aquatree family. Welcome back. 7 days later, we've got the radish, we've got the mung in 2 days, all grown inside in such a small footprint. We're going to go through harvesting, show you how easy it is to do that. We're going to store a little bit of the food. We're going to use a little bit on a wrap that we're making, and I think you're going to love this part. See how easy it is. So these micro lids makes it super easy because you just put the seeds in, you remember that. But look at these roots. So that nice thick root mass is because of that continuous flow. That continuous flow allows the plants to grow nice and healthy. I'm actually going to go ahead and turn it off. That way the mung can drain while I'm harvesting these. So these are super easy. You just take a regular knife, turn over, they don't fall out. And you just come right to here and you just shave the roots right off. Pretty easy, right? Well, this part's even easier. You just take them, grab them, let them drip a little bit, and now they're ready to go in the fridge. So those will stay for a couple weeks. They still got a little bit of the root on them. I'll show you that. And that allows them to not lose any nutrient density. So most plants, as soon as you cut the roots, they lose their nutrient density within 2 days. So 50% lost in 2 days. So it's got a little bit of root on it. Just take that and you can cut that off. Add that to your wrap. Now this wrap is 40 times more nutrient dense because that's how microgreens, that's what they bring to any dish. You can put them in soups, you can put them in all kinds of different dishes that really just like that good peppery addition to omelets, eggs. Then you can store that in the fridge. You just put the lid on it. The other thing is the mung. So I just took the dams out. Okay, so the mung, we like to rinse the mung. So you can just rinse it right in the micro lid. All right, so this one's pretty complicated to harvest. Let it rinse a little bit, and then you just pull it into the tray. That was exhausting. Mung, there's so much research out there. Very high in protein, delicious. Can be put as a protein on anything that you'd put chicken or steak. Great flavor, great for you. Superfood, detoxifies. Now you got a wrap. You know, that's what it's all about, is making good looking meals, grow them at home. Yeah, we use some of the other things you're used to, the cucumbers, but those don't have the nutrition in them. The nutrition comes from adding the microgreens and the proteins. Absolutely amazing.